Alright, good afternoon and welcome to this video tutorial. My name is Raphael from spacedigitals.com, and in this tutorial I will be guiding you step by step on how you can actually make money online in 2022 for free. Yes, absolutely free. But before you think that everything is easy, let me just tell you something that you really need to know. Making money online is not an easy task, especially beginners. In short, the truth remains that it is harder for you to make $100 online than for you to make $10,000 online. Because if you can find your way in making your first $100 online, then making $10,000 online becomes easier. How? You're going to duplicate what you did to make that $100 in 10 hundreds places, and you make $10,000. So making $100 online is harder than making $10,000 online. So don't get over exaggerated because I say this for free. It requires a lot of work. Okay, I am not an advocate. There are other ways you can make money online. People who tell you to watch YouTube, to watch video online. But most of those online survey and all those things, actually, some of them pay, while some don't even pay, especially if you are from Africa, because most of them, the one they allow Africa to participate in, are the one that they will give you 0.00000.1. Can I imagine how much you are going to make when you watch? How many videos are you going to watch to even make $1 when you watch a video of 0.0000? So I'm not actually discouraging you not to do that. You can actually do it, but I'm just telling you my own judgment. So making money online, you must have something to offer to people. If you don't have anything to offer to people, then there's no need of you thinking of making money, because you can't just go and start making money online. There must be reason why people should actually listen to you. And if it is an affiliate marketing, you must have the traffic. If you don't have the traffic, you can't make money online. And if it is on YouTube, the same thing. If you don't have the complete subscriber and the watch time hour, you'll be able to make money online. So for this very one, you can actually do your best in making money online with this particular method, but it is not also easy, because you need a lot of awareness, maybe through WhatsApp and the rest of them. So let's get started. Please, if this is the first time you are coming across to my channel, I highly appreciate if you do me a favor by click on the subscribe button and the bell icon, so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be notified. I upload quality videos here on web design and how to actually make money online, and also support you in case you need my help in anything regarding web design, actually supporting and some other things that I actually do on my website. So let's get started. This is Fiverr. Fiverr.com is a known website where you can actually perform tasks for people. Now this is background remover. I will remove background image for you for $5. So I say I will remove background image, crop size, cut. But if you come here, you see this lady is removing for $20. Now let's see her this thing, which I opened up immediately. Let's see her page. Now this is her page. If you see, this is premium, $80, and she's charging $80 for premium. She's charging $50 for standard, and she's charging $20 for basic. Now let's read and see. I'm removing 25 easy products, or 20 headshots, or 15 full body model image background in this package, delivery in one day. Then the $80 is $50 is 70 product, or 50 header shots, or 40 full body model image background in this package. Then the last package is $80. She's removing 100 or 80 or 70, delivery in 2 days. Now this is the image, this is before and this is after. Now I want to take you to a website. Let's go to this website. You can see this website. Let me just show you from scratch. Let's pick an image. Let's pick an image. So I'm going to pick this image. So let's pick this very one and drop it here, and let's see what happens. Perfect. You can see this is the image that I just dropped. Let me show you how the image looks like before. You can see this is how the image looks like before. Now let's see how the image looks like now that we remove the background. You can see this is how it looks like now. Maybe we should try downloading it so you can see the difference. Even though I'm using the low resolution, you can see the high resolution, but I just want to use the low resolution. Okay. Now let's open our image and see. Perfect and beautiful. You can see this is the image, and this is the image we remove the background from. You can see. So now let's go back to Fiverr.com. You can see this is the same thing this person is doing for here, and she's charging 100 for $80. But she said I'm removing 100 easy products. Remember, easy product. Or it didn't say she's removing this and this. She says she's removing this or this or this. So any of them that you choose, she's charging you $80 to remove them. Isn't this amazing? You've not spent any. You just, all they need from me is to sign up. You can see I've not even signed up. I've not even logged into my account. This very one. I've not logged into my account. I created an account with them. I'm not logged into my account. I'm actually doing it from outside. Sometimes you do it, they'll ask you to log in. You can see they'll give you different background that you can actually use. Isn't this amazing? So another site to visit is remover.ai. This is the one we just done now. So another site to visit is this Slaza. Let's try Slaza and see how their own looks like. So let's pick the same image, just drag and drop it here. Perfect. You can see I'm not going to download this one. You can see, we can see it from here. This is the image that we just dropped here, and this is the background image that has been. You can see how beautiful and clean it is. Very neat. So what you now need to do is to start telling people, just create an account with Fiverr. Not just Fiverr, there are other gigs, other websites that can actually create an account. If you continue following my video, my channel, I'll drop more links where you can actually see how you can do other, I can join other alternative website, because Fiverr is, yeah, it is the highest, but a lot of, before you get work here, it will be very, very hard. But there are other ones that will be dropping the link in the description below, where you can actually go and sign up for them for free, and you start removing a background image for them and other things. So another one I want us to look at is this particular one, remove.bg. This guy usually allow you to remove one, then the rest you have to pay. But this Recounter allow you to remove multiple. I've tried removing about 10 images, and they do not charge me anything. They allowed me to remove up to 10 images, and there was no error message telling me that I will use my chance, all those things. So these are basically some of the ways you can actually make money online. I hope I'm communicating. So if I'm actually communicating, please comment in this comment section and say communicating. So this is how you can actually make money online in 2022. I'll be sharing a lot of tricks and methods that I can actually use to make money online in this 2022. I hope this helped. Please, once again, Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It will help to grow my channel, and God bless you for doing so. Thank you.